Hello, this is Hurera bin Sohail for ISE Show TV, here with Paul Milligan, and this is the Unwrapped Day 1. Another ISE, what are you most looking forward to?
Well, I think at this point, the exciting bit is the potential, right? It's all in front of us. It's exciting. It's like what's going to happen. I think I was speaking to Pam Taggart yesterday. I was stunned at the length and breadth of the content program. It's huge this year. It touches everything from education to live events to AI, looking at future trends. I mean, there's literally something for everyone. That was a stunning amount of content they've got this year.
I agree. The show gets bigger, but it's also getting broader. I'm particularly excited by Spark, which is all the way down in Hall 8, merging creativity and technology. Netflix is speaking there. They're covering a diverse set of topics from broadcast, esports, content creation, AI. It just seems like there is a lot more happening at the show for people who are engaged and just want to pursue their own little areas of exploration.
Yeah, I mean, speaking to the guys at ISE, they were saying it's one of the hardest technical challenges I've ever had to put the Spark stage together, because of they really seem to be pushing the boundaries of some of this content that they've got, which is great to see. It's the AV industry, right? We should be putting on fantastic shows.
There's a drone show happening, speaking of fantastic, and that's something that I'm personally excited to go and see. I think that it's an extremely interesting addition to the live events and staging sector, which is not as explored as it should be, but they're going to have 600 drones in the air. So
yeah, I mean, they had them last year indoors. This year they're moving outdoors, which is even more of a spectacle. I think it's outside the South Access, I believe, I think it's 6:30 in a couple of evenings. Got an opera performer singing along with it. I mean, it's going to be a real good show.
Megatrends, cybersecurity, AI, those are the two that I've personally earmarked to kind of go and check out. What about you, Paul?
Yeah, I think I've said it before, I think this year could be the year of the platform. I think a lot of companies are looking at launching their own platforms in terms of products to build a kind of ecosystem themselves, really. It's not to kind of stop people coming in that kind of old kind of Cisco way of you can only buy from us. It's just more of a one-stop shop. I don't like that phrase, but that's where they're going.
Yeah, I'm personally very interested to see how the AI conversation is evolving, because we all know what AI can do. We know it can deliver efficiency, but there are concerns about reliability and ethics, and I feel that as an industry, we're ready to have that conversation, and ISE is kind of sparking the way forward for that.
Yeah, I'd be interested to see how many of the conversations I have with you all on stands this week will revolve around AI. I'd be interested to see, is it half? Is it 10%? Is it 90%? It'd be really interesting to find that out and come back on Friday.
The bread and butter of our industry, audio, video, control, lighting, these things are going to be on show. They've got a lot of listening suites.
Yeah, that's a really nice new venture this year. I think it's a kind of unused, unloved bit of the Fira that's been brought to life just for that. I think if you're in that sort of residential higher market, it's going to be a must visit, I think. Is there anything else you're looking forward to?
Yeah, we've been talking with ISE, and they've told us that there's actually the EdTech Congress, which is happening at the Fira Montjuic. It's going to be running on Wednesday and Thursday. There's a free shuttle bus there, so they really are getting bigger and broader, like they said. I am really looking forward to these 4 days. What about you?
Can't wait. Bring it on.
We'll see you tomorrow.